Excel COUPDAYBS function. This function returns the number of days from the beginning of the coupon period to the settlement date. The name stands for coupon days before settlement. The syntax is COUPDAYBS with parameters settlement, maturity, frequency, and an optional basis. Dates should be entered using the date function for best results. There are 4 arguments: settlement, the settlement date of the security; maturity, the maturity date; frequency, the number of coupon payments per year, which can be 1 for annual, 2 for semi-annual, or 4 for quarterly; and basis, an optional day count basis type from 0 to 4. Here's an example. We have a security with a settlement date of January 25, 2011, maturing on November 15, 2011. The coupon frequency is semi-annual, and we use an actual over actual day count basis. The COUPDAYBS function returns 71. This means there are 71 days from the start of the current coupon period to the settlement date of January 25, 2011. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when settlement or maturity is not a valid date. A num error occurs when frequency is not 1, 2, or 4, the basis is out of range, or the settlement date is on or after maturity. Key points to remember. COUPDAYBS is part of a family of coupon functions including COUPDAYS, COUPDAYSNC, COUPNNCD, COUPNUM, and COUPPCD. The result depends on the day count basis chosen. All date arguments are truncated to integers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.